Welcome! Let's learn numbers from 1 to 10 together. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job! Let's start with the number 1. Can you say it with me? 1. Great. That's the number 1. Now here's the number 2. Let's say it together. 2. Awesome. That's the number 2. Next up is the number 3. Ready? Say it with me. 3. Fantastic. That's the number 3. Here comes the number 4. Say it with me. 4. Excellent. That's the number 4. Now let's try the number 5. Can you say it? 5. Well done. That's the number 5. Let's learn the number 6. Can you say it together? 6. Great work. That's the number 6. Here's the number 7. Ready? Let's say it. 7. Good job. That's the number 7. The next number is 8. Let's say it together. 8. Nice work. That's the number 8. Now it's time for the number 9. Say it with me. 9. Fantastic. That's the number 9. Finally, here's the number 10. Let's say it together. 10. Awesome. That's the number 10. Great job learning numbers 1 to 10. See you next time. Bye.